my god, 3 sodas. Which one are we gonna try? Wait, how are we gonna do this? We're gonna do like all of them at.
No, we're just gonna do one at a time. Like.
Okay.
Have you recorded yet?
Yes. Oh, are we gonna do Mountain Dew first?
Yeah.
Why are you guys making them all like I don't know.
She did it.
I just short minute. Are we gonna like chug it? What are we gonna?
I just gotta try not laugh. Like.
Yeah, I just say we drink them because when I chug it doesn't work very well. I can't do this.
What is that? What?
Drinking soda.
What are you doing all that soda?
We're drinking soda.
Not all those soda cans.
No.
What are you
We're
doing?
playing a game.
You're not playing the game of turtle like. I don't know now, but I mean, I'm not very good.
Oh my god. No. Our words were just bigger than something. Hello? 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 Yeah. Yes, Haley. No, G1. With the number 1. Alright. Okay, bye. Show the lug.
Who knows what you guys are doing, you know?
Nobody. Oh god, I feel it coming.
I feel like I'm gonna be sick.
Mountain Dew makes my throat, makes my stomach hurt.
Ew.
Why is he wet? I'm thinking. I can't drink Mountain Dew, I'm sorry. It really makes me, like, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. No.
Man, that wasn't very good. That wasn't good at all.
Don't put my phone.
Oh. That was like the worst burp I think I've ever done.
That was my battery died.
It's my mom used to do it. Alright, next to it.
How do I reply?
I can drink Sprite though.
Hey, you should check if it's still going.
I just checked. That was pathetic.
Mountain Dew does nothing. I know, what were you doing? I think it's my diet. We're blaming on the diet. That was like cheese.
Oh, like that?
No, like this.
Win. You know, your pee is,
How do I hear number 1 on here?
when your pee is really jello and
Haley, now,
Yes.
how do you do number 1?
Number 1 of what?
On a, never mind.
Man, my stomach is really bugging.
I know. I do too.
I think next time we just get liters.
Yeah.
Chug
Yeah,
check. That's what we're
It'll only take what we need.
Yeah.
Coca-Cola.
True.
Sorry, that was really bad.
That was really bad. Your bird is staring at me. Man, this is like such a fail right now.
Wait,
What if your bird is... Man. That'd be funny. Oh my god.
That's awful.
Not worry.
Yeah, tell them there how bad they are, Scooby.
Oh Lord. Right did it.
That was funny.
With the warm up of diet. Mountain Dew.
Oh, that hurts. That was a good one. Melissa, remember that? Actually, the one at the...
That was bigger, wasn't it?
That was the best part I've ever heard. Oh, my tom-tom hurts.
much. I'm telling my mom.
Yeah, it's very suspicious. That's what we do.
Oh.
I probably shouldn't open all three of these.
Yeah.
Oh, I almost just fully open them up.
Okay,
Now,
we'll
did you use my vacuum?
What?
Did you use my vacuum?
I don't think so.
Who vacuumed your room?
Haley. I paid her.
Oh my God. We're going to be just like the queen. My sister was like that. My older sister was the queen. She paid everybody a quarter. We used to get a quarter.
Oh man.
She paid us a quarter if we did the dishes. That's how long, huh?
I don't think I paid anything.
Now you pay. What'd you pay her?
I paid her $1.
$1?
Yep.
And you owe me 20 to do your laundry.
I never said I'd give you $20, May.
To do your laundry.
That is BS.
What's BS mean?
If I said it, you'd get mad.
With Josephine. Max! Come on! Look at me, you look like Farmer Jones. Or Farmer whoever. Come, babe! Hey! Woo! Come on, Max! Max!
Okay.
You better come before Melanie gets home. Yes, come on.
Oh, we had like a little,
like a mini burp after.
a little miss from that one. Had a little miss. I don't think it.
I'm surprised the bird doesn't tell you to shut up.
There you go, it's coming.
Ah.
Brewing.
What? Tell them.
Shut up, Mallory!
That'd be really funny to do that.
Come on.
Man.
Oh. Come here, Max. Hey. Come on. Come on. Look, he's all wet. Ah. You're not going swimming?
I don't think so.
Huh?
I don't think so. What time is your mom coming? 12:50. What time is it right now?
What time is your mom coming?
It's 12:30.
Oh, 12:30?
Mhm.
Oh, she's not going to the beach with you guys.
No.
Wow.
Coming? Okay. Are you ready?
Max.
Man, why are...
Come on, Max.
Can I wear your face? 'Cause I thought it would be nice.
A nice Halloween mask, good one.
Yeah.
I'm blind.
Oh, God.
My head.
Or something Mallory's to trick yours. You look like... Uh-oh. 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 Like that sounds good. Just to be honest. Alright, let's see, we're gonna try this again.
Yeah, I'm just like,
I just don't want to
not
throw up.
drinking Mountain Dew.
Oh, did we get the burping on camera?
Yeah, I think so. I still think Elizabeth beat you.
Hey, but she still produced something.
Yeah, no, we're pretty cool.
Come on, chug, chug, chug. Don't let any burps. Come on, no little burps. You gotta keep them all in to make a big one. Don't keep drinking, keep drinking. Yeah, my stomach. I thought I was gonna puke. Come on, come on. No, you gotta leave them in there.
Oh, Mallory.
You gotta leave them in